What a beautiful day we have here today. Celebrate Cole. We're almost there. Okay. And first of all, I want to thank our city leaders that are here with us today to celebrate our flag day here in front of one of the most beautiful historical buildings in the city of Buffalo, City Hall. And I especially want to thank our Niagara District Councilman David for always supporting this event. And today's a special day, and I say it's a special day because we get to celebrate our flag day here in front of the City Hall. We don't fear and worry about someone going to come to start us. And for that, thanks to our great leader in this country that always fighting for us every day and tirelessly, so people as can enjoy this kind of freedom, no matter who we are and where we came from. And in this country, to choose the right leader is depend on us as a citizen. So this coming November, I encourage you all to go and exercise your right to go vote. Vote for the person who you think can protect your freedom like this, and vote for the leader who you believe can defend our democracy, so we can enjoy this kind of freedom for generations to come.